Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Focus AI to create amazing AI generated images. Okay, so it is super simple. So you just need to open your browser, and after that, just search for Focus AI GitHub. Okay, so then you can find the first link like focus on prompting and generating. Click on that. Okay, once you are there, scroll down a little bit, and you will see a button that says Google Colab. Okay, so here you can see that open in collab. Go ahead and click on that. Okay, now this is Google Colab. Okay, so you can the Google Colab is like a free online coding tool provided by Google, and the cool part is it gives you free access to GPU for running AI models. Okay, which is uh, even if you don't have a powerful computer, you can still generate AI images by using Google Colab. Okay, so back to the point. On the Google Colab page, you will see a code cell like with a play button. Okay, so this is the code cell, and this is the play button. You can just click on that and then click on run anyway. Okay, and just wait for some time, and it will install some of the dependencies and packages to run the AI model. It will take approximately like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so just wait for some time. Okay, so once it is done, you will see a live URL pop up, and you just need to click on that live URL. So here is that public URL. Okay, so click on that, and it will take you straight to the Focus AI website. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. Wait for some time. It takes some time to load. Okay, so now we'll see Focus AI interface. Okay, so this is the Focus AI interface, and just type in your ideas or prompt. Okay, so now here you can see that this is where you can enter your prompt. Okay, so let me try an example like beautiful beautiful Indian girl. Okay, in sari. Okay, so then click on generate. Now Focus AI will create an image based on your description. Like I will give it like a beautiful Indian girl in sari. So it will generate that image. You can see that it will generating that image. Okay, so this is a random like I just like enter a 3 to 4 word prompts, but you can explain more and it will generate according to that. Okay, so and that is it. You just create an AI image without breaking a sweat. Okay, so go ahead and try it out. Let me know like what prompts you used and what kind of images you got. Okay, so if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video.